Syncing Steam games with GeForce Now connects your existing Steam library so supported games appear in the cloud service. Steam is supported, but syncing does not make every Steam game available. You normally need to own or purchase a supported game before playing it. NVIDIA also supports hundreds of free-to-play games, so those titles may not require a purchase. Open GeForce Now in the app or a supported browser, then start the Game Store library connection flow. The goal is to connect the Steam library that contains your owned games. When GeForce Now asks for a store or publisher account, sign in to Steam with the account that owns the games. This lets NVIDIA verify ownership before showing the library. NVIDIA lists Steam with Epic Games Store, GOG.com, Ubisoft Connect, Battle.net, EA App, and Xbox. Select Steam when you connect the store library you want to use. After sign-in, wait for ownership verification and for the library to populate. The games shown by GeForce Now come from the store account you just verified. Use the GeForce Now search bar to find a game you own. Add the title to your GeForce Now library, then use its game tile to start the launch process. Clicking a tile launches the game on a cloud gaming rig and streams it to your device. On the first click, the digital store page may open, so logging in can verify ownership. GeForce Now separates ready-to-play and install-to-play games. Ready-to-play titles stream instantly, stay updated, and are tested by NVIDIA for a ready-to-start experience. Install-to-play is for supported Steam games that you download from your own library. NVIDIA says the publisher must opt into Steam Cloud Gaming, and the feature is for premium members. To find one, open the Install-to-Play section and choose See All, check the label in Game Details, or use the app filters. This separates installable titles from ready-to-play games. Install-to-Play uses cloud storage. Performance and Ultimate memberships include 100 GB of single-session storage, but the game must be downloaded again when each new session starts. Some games may need more storage to begin installation. Persistent cloud storage is an optional add-on. NVIDIA lists 200 GB, 500 GB, and 1 TB options for keeping installations across sessions. Steam Cloud Saves can preserve progress for supported games. Availability can also vary by country because NVIDIA follows local content trading rules, so a title may not appear everywhere. The sequence is connect Steam, sign in, verify ownership, wait for the library, search and add an owned game, then open its tile. Check its category before choosing storage.